What brought us here today was we wanted to see how the United States dealers are doing digital-wise. Sometimes you're a little bit further stepwise than we are in Denmark. Still pretty close, but we can learn quite a lot.
Well, this is a study trip, basically. We have 15 new car dealers from Denmark coming over here, and we're trying to find inspiration on how to develop our businesses, basically. We came here because we know that Potratz is a very recognized company when it comes to giving advice to car dealers on how to develop their marketing strategy.
We met Paul at the NADA 2015, and we invited him over for a seminar in Copenhagen. That went very well, and we asked him if we could come to his facilities here in the United States. He agreed to make a company presentation and touch on different topics that are very relevant to our members.
Well, the thing about Paul is there are a lot of skilled advertising managers, you might say, but Paul has the advantage that he's been in the business himself. So my member companies enjoy listening to a person who knows a lot about marketing, but also knows about what it actually means to be a car dealer. So he uses the right words, he knows the processes, he knows the context, and he's able to start out from a very practical point of view and still taking our activities to a higher level.
The thing that stands out mostly is the experts that you are in the different fields of the digital world. You have this whole setup where you have people very, very specialized into different areas of the company, and therefore you have a much wider and deeper experience of what is going on.
I think maybe you also can learn something from us, what we are doing. I think it's also an ongoing process both ways. What we're doing, what we have success with, maybe combined with your success here in the US will go to a higher end if you use it correct.
I think the major lesson is that you can address the digital marketing in a much more systemized way. You can be much more focused on how you transfer your clients from the digital world into the real world, you might say. A lot of good things are being done in Denmark and the Danish companies, but we have a lot to learn when it comes to putting these processes into a system.
It was a great opportunity getting to meet with the dealers of Denmark, and if you need a company or a partner that can take you to the next level with your digital marketing, help train your team on things like lead handling, or maybe you're in need of a new website, give us a call because we can help you just like we did the dealers from Denmark.